Thank you sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. Sold out na. Did you eat na? No pa po. Pero I will be later after I go live. Pero sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, sold out na ang ating album launch this coming June 28th. So, give yourselves a round of applause. Good job, everyone. Good job, good job. And thank you talaga. Kasi, you know, hindi lang to special para sa akin. It's also special for you guys. I mean, I don't know. Up to you guys if it's special to you. Pero I think, sa mga iba dyan, na gusto ako mapanood, mag-concert. This is it, guys. This is our very special moment. It's gonna be on June 28th. So, Bisaya ka, te. Yes, Bisaya ko, boy. I love it. You're my inspiration. Oh, we. The concert is so far from your place. Okay lang. Okay lang yan, guys. At because nag-live din ako, not only to say thank you, but also para mag-concert din tayo dito. Sa mga hindi makakanood ng concert ko, okay lang. We're gonna have our own concert here on TikTok. Kasi sold out na eh. Sold out na. Just let me know if you wanna come. Kasi I'll let you come inside. I'll put a seat for you. Pero officially sold out na talaga yung concert. So, sa mga hindi nakaabot o sa mga hindi kayang pumunta o sa mga wala, hindi lang nag-align yung stars para sa kanila para mag-watch ng concert, edi mag-concert tayo dito. Let's have our own concert here. Diba? Sino na magsabi hindi tayo pwede mag-own concert dito? Wala nga lang stage, wala nga lang chair, pero at least you guys can see me from your house or wherever you are right now. Diba? So, sa mga 8.2k watching right now, let's have our own concert here. Let's have our own concert here. Badly want to watch you on June 28th. Ayun. Sa mga hindi makakanood, mag-concert tayo dito ng atin-atin lang. Yeah? Yeah, 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 yeah. It's been a long time since I sang for you guys on my live. So, you guys wanna sing with me? Edi, kanta tayo. Mag-concert tayo ng atin-atin lang. You guys know this song? Pre-concert. Yeah. Pre-concert! What song you wanna sing? Is the music okay? Hindi siya masyadong loud? Sinong nasa necklace ko? My parents. A fan gave it to me and I thought it was the cutest kasi it has my parents. Birthday ko po June 28th. Oh, happy birthday on June 28th. We're gonna celebrate that day well kasi it's a special day. Tara, kanta tayo. Also, I'm gonna be in Fiang's album concert. That's on June 22. Abangan. Andun din kami. Ni na Rain, Ate Colette, Kuya JM, and oh my god, Miss Regine Velasquez. Shucks, I love her. Did you guys know, when I was in iShine, I did like a contest before iShine. It's called iShine. Tapos, my moniker dun was Singing Songbird ng Cebu. Shining Singing Songbird ng Cebu. Kasi yun yung moniker ni Miss Regine Velasquez. Tapos, fast forward to now, sa PBB. Naging singing gwapa na ako. Nag-iba na yung moniker ko. Pero, wala lang. Wala lang. Fact lang, fact.
Fine fragrance collection. Smell irresistibly sweet for longer.
Birthday mo kahapon. Happy birthday mo kahapon. Happy birthday. Birthday mo kahapon. Happy birthday. Birthday mo kahapon. Happy birthday. I'm live. Okay, fine, whatever. Everybody say hi.
Wala naman eh. Hello! Hi guys!
Happy Kyrene Day daw.
Happy Kyrene Day!
Happy Kyrene Day. Everyone's looking for you. Hi daw.
Hello!
Asan ka na daw?
I'm in taping.
Are you allowed to say that?
Yes, we are out in the open.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yes.
Which one?
Kahit ano.
Choose!
Kahit ano nga! Kuya Emilio!
Hey!
Say hi to my live. If
Go on live.
Hello!
hello mga Emilio Diaz. Sorry.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Whoa, there's fried chicken. Yo. Pwede pala yun. May fried chicken pala. That's crazy. Okay. Anyway. Let's sing a song. Traitor? Kaka-heartbroken naman yun. Nicki songs. Miss Leia Salonga songs. Brown guilty eyes and little white lies. Yeah, I played dumb, but I always knew that you talked to her. Maybe did even worse. I kept quiet so I could keep you. And ain't it funny how you ran her the second that we called it quits? And ain't it funny how you said we were friends? Now it sure as hell don't look like. And I know that you'll never feel sorry. Huwag kang maiyak. Huwag ka pong maiyak because today we're gonna have our own concert. It doesn't matter. Alam mo, sa mga hindi makakapunta ng concert ko, okay lang. Okay lang. Pero sa mga pupunta, thank you guys. Thank you. Kasi, you know, it's a special day for me. Fix your hair. hair blindness. Nandito ako sa... Huh? Regine song. Regine song? Oh my gosh. Sige. Doesn't matter. Actually, it does matter. Na pupunta kayo sa concert ko. Pero sa mga hindi makakapunta sa concert ko, okay lang because we're gonna have our own concert right now. It's a pre-concert. Pre-Kai's the limit. Pero thank you talaga. Thank you so much sa mga bumili sa Team Kai official, Team Kai Core, sa shippers, sa mga casual viewers lang, sa mga tambay, sa mga tao-tao na nasa side-side lang, sa gilid-gilid na nagsusupport. Thank you so much. At dahil, you know, nag-support kayo. I love that. Salamat. Salamat sa nagbibigay ng rose, by the way.
Ang buhag ng hair ko. Sa akin din, my this. Here else. You can let my hair down with sunset.
Picture hair daw. Okay po. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Diyos ko po. Yes! Yes! We're gonna have our own concert here. Wala pa kasing mga -1 yung mga kanta ni Rain. So, di natin magagawa. Sana maulit muli ang mga oras nating nakaraan. Ba't nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana maulit muli. Sana bigyan ng pansin ang himig ko. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon. Tanging wala na bang mahal? Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, hindi na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, hindi na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko, sana. Wala pang -1 ang mga kanta ni Rain. Hapon, sandaling di mapapantayan. Is it too loud? Sorry. Rain is here? Meron? Kung ako'y nagkamali minsan, di na ba mapabibigyan ng Ano yung search? Wala naman ah. Oh my gosh, meron! Meron pala. Sorry. I didn't know. Hear the flow and the echo of the waves and the view of the sunset. Wow, I can't believe I'm gonna sing this. I feel like this is too I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready to sing the song. Should I? Should I sing it? No. I don't know. I didn't know kasi na meron palang ganito. Baka. Cow. I Anyway, by the way, sa mga kakarating lang dito, thank you so much. At dahil na-sold out natin ang ating album launch, thank you so much. Confetti! Yeah. Good job. Put your hair back. Okay. Grabe naman tong, si ate. Put your hair back daw. Okay po. Sikat na sikat ang Pinoy kahit saan mapunta. Yes, kabalo ko magbisaya, Dad.
What a similar
Ano ulam niyo? Banana. I love banana. Rate Dubai? It's pretty good. It's pretty good there. I loved it. I love my stay. Enjoyed my stay talaga. Anyway, let's sing. Hate the flow and do it. You know what? I want to sing it with the rain. Eto. Let's sing it with the rain. And I heard people, well, no, I saw people on X saying that they wanted me to harmonize with it. So let's harmonize with it. Heaven knows it's been hugging on a soul and I know none else can. What's the title? Boom tarat tarat. Feeling weak. Jaren is not here po. Jaren is nasa tawang-tawa ako na may nakita akong post sa X. Nasa home court ko daw si Jaren. Nasa home court ko si Jaren. Nasa Cebu. Good luck. Saan ka tayo? Title of this song, Boom Tarat Tarat. Crazy. It's Pahuay. The home whenever I go, and chase wherever I go. Will it lie? But if I step more. If you're not there, wala din ako. I'm in pain. Will I say oh, that's so good. That's my favorite part. Bisaya food. Yes. Ano po title? Pahuay. By Rina. Homemade, a place that I'm leaving behind. There in the south. Just go the second gosh, did you see Wicked Part 2? Anyway, sa mga kakanood lang, mga bros, thank you so much kasi na-sold out natin ang ating ang ating album launch. June 28 June 28. Am I right? Yeah, June 28. June 28 na-sold out natin. I'm so proud of us. I'm so proud of you guys. Good job. Talaga. Hi, Athena. Hello. Defying Gravity. What do you guys want me to sing on my concert? Do you have any like recommendations, suggestions, whatever? Kasi I also wanna know what you guys wanna, what do you want to hear from me? Kasi marami na akong gustong kantahin. Pero di ko alam anong gusto nyong kantahin ko. Happier? Oh bro, I love that song. Who's your big four? Fiang, Rain, Colette, Kai. Nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Nananang buhay, lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig. Naglalaro ka ba ng Roblox? Yes. Ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko. Di mo man ako mahal, ikaw pa rin ako namamararamdaman sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka ng iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Damn. Crazy pa lang song na to, no? Maybe I should sing this someday. Ano man ang sabihin nila, I don't know this part anymore. Na 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 na. Na 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 da 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 da. Mag-hello ka. Hello. Hello. Nasa Toledo City. Kinsa? Buko? Ano po name niyo sa Roblox? Ooh, I don't remember actually. It's been a long time since I played Roblox. You guys wanna play Roblox with me? Tara mag-Roblox tayo. Parang, you know. Sino bang live right now? Let's go live with somebody. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko. Di mo man ako mahal, ikaw pa rin nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit may mahal ka ng iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Na 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 na. O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga mahal kita? I love this song. You guys should listen to this song. You guys should listen to the song kasi it's my favorite ABBA song. Actually, marami akong favorite sa ABBA. Who's your big winner? Fiang. Fiang, Rain, Colette, Kai. My big four. Situationship. Kanta pala yun. Jarena sa Toledo. Slay. Good luck. Hi. Hello. Vampire? Oh, that's a good song. Might actually sing that song. Take it easy with me, please. Pangluma. Touch me gently like the summer evening breeze. Take your time, make it slow. Andante, andante, just let the feeling grow. Make your fingers soft and light. Let the body be the velvet of the night. Touch my soul, you know how. Andante, andante.